Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your REDMI Buds 6 Lite. So firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And now we can click at the device list on your earbuds. We have connected. Cool. If it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So put it to the charging case and after that close the case. The headphones should be disconnected from the phone and we can see it right here, not connected. And after that, open it again. And we have connected. But if it didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And after that, press and hold on this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing. Here we go. Now we can see it at the device list, so click on it. And we did it also. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, you should press and hold. Firstly, make sure that your earbuds is in the charging case, and after that press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts flashing 3 times. Here we go, we have it. Now we should remove these headphones, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget device again. Don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now click on your earbuds at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!